Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create an advanced testimonial section in WordPress using Elementor. So here in this testimonial section you can see like we have a carousel over here and we have dots over here, and if you will notice it will autoplay also. Suppose if I am not hovering over the testimonial, then it will change automatically after few times. So this is what we are going to create in this video. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's start creating this. So here you can see that now I am inside my Elementor page builder. So now let's start creating this section. So first of all, to create this section, again I am going to click on this plus icon and I am going to take a single section. So now let me change this height to fit to screen, and then what I will do, here you can see that we have a background color over here. So let me put a slightly light background color so that you can able to let me slightly blue background color, let me put over here. All right, so now let's start creating this section. To create this section, in the widget section you will you have to search for testimonial. Whenever you will search for testimonial, you will get a widget with the name testimonial carousel. So let's drag this testimonial carousel over here, and now if you will notice we are getting different items over here, item 1, item 2 and item 3. So what I will do, let me delete this item and let's start with the first item. So first item here in the content part, whatever with our testimonial text, that one we have to put it in the content part, and then we have to upload a image. So let me quickly upload an image and I will select this as insert media, and then here you are getting a name and all, whatever name you want to give here you can see, and then whatever title you want to give. Here I have given it John Doe, and then I have given a title CEO. Now what I will do, I will duplicate it to 3 to 4 times so that I don't need to create 4 more testimonial items. And then here if you will see and that we have this skin, so let's change the skin to bubble. So whenever you will change the skin to bubble, you will find like we have got one background color to our testimonial text. All right, after that we have a layout, so image inline, or if you want to set it as image tagged, then this is the style. And then if you want to keep your image above, you can do that one. These are different styles over here. So I want to keep the alignment like layout will be image tag, and then alignment should be center, and then slide per view I want to make it 1, and slide to scroll should be 1. All right, after that here you can set a width for your testimonial. So what I will do, I will set a 75 percentile for the testimonial width. And then we have additional options over here. If you will notice we have a dots over here. So pagination style I want to make it dot, I don't want any arrow, so let me hide the arrow. And then whatever transition duration you want to set, you can do it, and then autoplay, let me set it to 500. And then if you want to set it as infinite loop, and pause on hover, and then pause on interaction, so you can enable these things. Now let's move towards the style part of the carousel. So here in the style part you can first select a space between, so let me change the space between to 30, and then we have a padding over here, so you can set a padding to it. So whatever, suppose let me give it a 20 pixel of padding to it, or 20, 25, whatever you want you can give it, or if you want you can give it only let me unlink it, and if you want a specific padding to it, okay, let me first now unlink it, and if you want to give it a specific padding towards the bottom also you can give it. So all right, I want a complete entire padding of 20 pixel, so here I have given it. Now let's move towards the content part. So here in the content part you can set the gap between this text, whatever the testimonial text, and the image of the client. So here I want to set a gap of 5. After that we can set a text color. So whatever text color you want, suppose this red is looking fine with the background color, that's why I have set it as black. And then for the name, whatever color suits you, whatever color you want to add, and then you can change the typography also. Let me give it a 15 pixel, and then I will reduce the I will increase the font weight to 700, and then let me increase the text size to 18 pixel. Alright, and then in the same way we can adjust the title color also. So I am choosing a random color. I am not focusing on any of these color combination or typography. The main aim is to show you how you can create this testimonial section. After that we have a image setting over here, where you can control the images size. Suppose here if you want to increase a big size image, you can control it from here. So I will make it a 75 or 80 will be fine for me. And then you can set a gap between the image and the text. So I want to give a gap of 10, so that there will be a gap between image and this title, whatever the name and the title. After that we have a border radius. No need to do anything with the border radius. Then it comes the navigation. So we don't have any arrow or pagination, so we can, let me set a color for the red color for the pagination. And then we have a bubble. So bubble, as you have remembered it, when in the content section we have enabled the skin type to bubble. So here in this bubble we can change the background colors. So I think the background color is fine. Now you can change the padding of the bubble. Suppose let me keep the padding to 15 or 20 is fine for me. After that if you want to add a border radius, suppose if you want to give it a border radius like this, you can give it. And then if you want to enable a border also, you can enable a border around it, and then you can set a border width to it also. But I don't need any border, so let me remove the border. And this is what you have got. Now let me click on update and let's view whether we are getting this design or not. Finally, let me refresh the page, and let's go to our testimonial section. And here if you will notice, we are getting this pagination style, and then it is already carousel also. And if you will wait for some time, it is scrolling, because I have knowingly increased the pagination speed, or whatever you call it. Let's go to the content, and here in additional option I have autoplay speed, I have increased it to 500, so that it will, like, you can see it properly, like whether it is fine. And whenever I am hovering over it, it is not changing. Again when I am not hovering over it, it is changing. So this is what we have created the testimonial. Now if you want to check it whether it is fine for your mobile responsive or not, you can easily go to this mobile responsive, and you can see like the texts are looking little bit big, right? So what you can do, you can again go to the style tab, and you can remove the entire padding which we have given. All right, and then you can also go to this content part, and here also in the bubble part, and here also you can remove a padding and give it a slight padding of 10 pixel. And what we have done exactly is the width, we have made it to 75 percentile, right? You can make it to 80 percentile like this, and you can customize it. And you can also go to the style tab, and in the content typography you can reduce it size to 16 pixel, so that it will look more better. And I need to add it to 10 pixel to all side. And this is how you can see I have easily customized it for the mobile view also. So with this we have completed this advanced testimonials section. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.